Hello everyone and welcome to Gardening with Captain Starlight. Gardening, gardening, gardening with Captain Starlight. Gardening, gardening, gardening with Captain Starlight. Garden, what will we plant today? Oh, what will we plant today? What will grow in our garden? Hip 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 hooray! Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to plant plants. Plant number 1, the pasta plant. What you will need: a spoon shovel, tomato sauce, some pasta, carrots and celery, and a little bit of pepper. The first thing you need to do is get your spoon shovel and dig a hole, like this. Dig until you get all the way to the other side of the world, or until 20 centimeters deep. All done. Take your pasta, break it up into little pieces, and put it into the hole. All done. Sprinkle in your carrot and celery for some extra veggie goodness. All done. Pepper it for flavor. Oh, it's spicy. Now it's time to cover up everything that you just planted. Don't forget to cover the jar. I love gardening. All done. Now, time for the most important part, the tomato sauce topping, because any good pasta plant always has tomato sauce. Delicious. Now you have to water your plant or else it won't grow. Don't forget to water yourself. Wait 2 weeks for your plant to grow. Now, what you've all been waiting for, the big reveal of the pasta plant. 5, 1, 7. This is the pasta plant that grew in only 2 weeks. Delicious. Bye-bye.